Good morning, ma'am. Today I will memorize the Bill of Rights. But before that, I will cover my eyes. Bill of Rights. These rights cannot be waived except in writing and in the presence of counsel. Number 2. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or, or any other means which the free shall be used against him. Secret detention places, solitary info, or other similar forms of detention. Number 3. Any confession or admission obtained in violation of these sections 17 whereof shall be invisible of evidence against him. Number 4. The law shall provide penal and civil sanctions for violations of this section, as well as compensation to rehabilitation of victims of torture or similar practices and their families. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offenses punishable reclusion perpetua will evidence of guilt against strong shall before conviction be viable by sufficient surprise or be released on recognition as may be provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired even when privilege of the right of habeas corpus suspended. Excessive bail shall not be required. Section 14. 1. No persons shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without criminal due process of law. 2. Of all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved, and shall enjoy the right to be heard by themselves of counsel, to be informed of the nature and cause and the accusation against him, to have speedy in person and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face, and to have compulsory process, to secure and the attendance of witnesses and the production of evidence on his behalf. However, after arraignment, trial may proceed with notwithstanding the absence of the accused, provided that he has been notified and his failure of appear unjustifiable. Section 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended in cases of invasion of rebellion when the public safety requires. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to the speedy disposition of their cases before judicial, judicial or administrative judge. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to a witness against him. Section 18. 1. No person shall be detained solely by a person by his political beliefs and aspirations. 2. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except a punishment for a crime. Party of July convicted. Section 19. Number 1. Excessive crimes shall not be imposed, nor crueler, degrading, inhuman punishment inflicted. There shall be death penalty be imposed unless compelling reasons involving numerous crime. The Congress hereafter provides of its any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced inclusion perpetua. Number 2. The implement of physical, psychological, or degrading punishment against any prisoners or detaining, or the use of substandard or inadequate penal facilities under subhuman conditions shall be dealt by law. Section 20. No person shall be in prison for death or non-payment of a full tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense if an act is punished by a law and ordinance, conviction, or acquittal under either shall constitute of a bar to another prosecution for the same act. Section 22. No ex